Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Toyota Tacoma, and I personally loved this one, so I picked this up and I bought this for MRP, which is 149 rupees. So don't buy this from scalpers. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions are the paint job looks nice, but I think I threw something away from here. Okay, this looks really nice. The headlights are just painted and the logo also painted. It is not embossed or anything. That's also painted. The rims looks really nice, and obviously the taillights also are painted. So there's some interior detailing here, but I don't think you guys can able to see it that clearly because the windows are actually tinted. So the good thing is it has rear view mirrors. So not much of Hotwheels actually has this rear view mirrors. So that is always a welcome thing. Okay, let's do a roll test. It rolls okay, the wheel wobbles a lot, and I don't think it is really that much good for a track, but still it makes a good showpiece. I think this part is made of plastic. Yeah, this part is made of plastic and rest are made of metal. It has three pieces, this one, and this goes along with the interior here. So, and the metal body part and the plastic chassis part, and I think one more is this windshield and all. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.